This is the hardest part, to replace the high beams. Even when it comes to halogens. So one Racing Vision GT200 is out. Just to give you an idea, this must be like something like this. So one is connected, but I still have to leave it out to see if it turns on, if I connect it properly. And now this one. This one must be like this. Okay, it's connected. see if they turn on. Okay, both are on. Those are the low beams and the high beams. So the low beams, let's see the high beams. So this is not on, and neither is this one. Okay, so plus it needs to be here and minus here, like we look in this way. Plus should be on the right and minus on the left as we look at it. I will take this into consideration for future installs. Just like this. Okay, let's see if they turn on right now. Both are on. Now the fun part, I will have to manage somehow to insert all the cables inside of it, after which I will come back with the recording. Now guys, it is done. The French engineers designed the headlights in such a way that on the high beams the LEDs fit way easier than on the low beams. When you install a halogen, it's the other way around. Worrying about not touching the glass, an issue that you don't have in the case of an LED. On the high beams it is a pain to install the halogens without touching the glass of the bulb, because you need to insert the H fitting in the socket before you after you have connected the halogen in the power plug. So you can imagine how hard that is. I will show you now. So on the high beams the LEDs went in and the entire harness way easier, also because the LEDs stay in the high beams offset in the headlamp housing, and you have way much room in the lower part for the entire harness and wire management. So hopefully you can see something. There they are. I will have no problems putting back the dust covers, which I'll do right now. Also, that. And here they are. So now both high beams and low beams have the LEDs installed. Okay. Well guys, the hard part, let's say, went away. The installation on my Renault Clio Mark III was, as I told you, a bit trickier on the low beams. On the high beams it was like a walk in a park. and way easier than in the case of a halogen set. Please stay tuned. Right now I will prepare everything for the light meter test, especially, and in order to achieve the perfect measurement, I will go first and record the wall, let's say, pattern. So I must be sure that the LEDs, although they look perfectly straight, they are really lighting up as well as possible and as sharp as possible in a reflector housing. And I am really looking forward to see what the the light meters results will be for this amazing HIKARI 2023 Titanova 30,000 lumen set. For the light meter test, considering the sheer amount of light they put, I will first measure them at the exact same distance as in the case of Akuma Nova S LEDs, so at 4 meters away. At 0.3 meters, at 30 centimeters away, I will do it just for the sake of the test, but you can imagine my light meter will go off scale for sure at that distance. And at 3 meters I will do lastly the measurement, because again these LEDs at the exact distance of a halogen give some incredible numbers. So the 4 meters will be the first one, just like in the case of Akuma. Right away in real time you'll see the recording as I will move the tripod at 3 meters distance and just take that measurement to compare it with the other maximum performance halogens. And for the first time, this will be a premiere, I will measure a pair of LEDs 40 minutes, approximately 40 minutes after the first light on. So I am really curious to see how much light they will and how much brightness they will be able to maintain or to lose over that 3/4 of an hour time span. So please stay tuned. Again guys, if you would like to purchase them, please use the Amazon links found in the description of the video, as well as in the comment section below. It will help me to bring you more videos like this one, and I will be eternally grateful to you. Please share, give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and follow me because I will put as many tests with these brand new LEDs as possible. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, and take care wherever you are.